Okay, so you've gotten your things together. Yay, good for you. Okay, let's start off with learning a little bit about the anatomy of our hook and how to hold a hook, okay? Real simple, real easy. I'm going to use this big codger here, and I'm going to use this 5.0 here. And we will learn how to hold a hook and a little bit about the hook. All right, for just anatomy purposes, just in case somebody's talking about something and you're like on the hook, and you're like, where in the heck is that? All right, I'm going to go over this briefly with you. This is called the hook. This is the part that's going to go in and grab your yarn. It catches it and pulls it through. This right here is called a throat, and it's that it guides the yarn or thread up onto your working area, which is right here. This is where you work your yarn. Then, which you'll see, you went like, what? Work my yarn? Okay, and this right here is called the finger hold. Each of them, just about all your hooks will have a finger hold. If they don't, it's kind of odd, but you know, some don't. Some are real rubbery and don't really have like a, what you call a finger, what that looks like. Some of them I've seen. Then, of course, you're going to have your handle. And so that is the anatomy of the hook. Now that we know the anatomy of the hook, we can learn how to hold a hook. There are a couple of ways to hold a hook, or you can experiment with it and figure out all yourself kind of hold, all right? This is called a pencil hold. You'll hold it like a pencil. That's not my hold. That's just not comfortable to me in my wrist, but it may be comfortable to you. You can hold it, try it different ways, okay? Some people, I've seen them hold it this way. You know, it's however it's going to help for you when you're working your yarn, okay? This is my hold. I do it like this. That's my hold. Thumb, pointer, third finger, kind of on the back, and I use it to kind of twist. You'll use it to twist your yarn. I'll show you real quick here. Get some yarn. Move that out the way. And da-da-da, we're going to crochet. Don't worry about any of this. Don't think, oh my God, what's she doing? I'm going to show you. I promise. All right? Just not in this video. All right. So this is how I do it. All right, so let me get where you can see me really good, and I'm going to go slow. All right. Now, if your wrist starts getting kind of tired, see how you can take in between your third finger and your thumb and kind of rotate it? You don't have to do a lot of wrist action. This little method here will work perfectly for you. This is called chaining, by the way, which we'll get into all that. But anyway, that is one hold. That's the hold I do. Thumb, pointing, third finger, and those kind of rock back and forth just like that. And you're holding it in the, see how it's held in the, your handle is going into the palm of your hand, kind of resting up on in there, okay? So let's try the pencil hold. I'm not good with this hold. All right. It just, it's like I'm working against myself on this hold here. But some people like it. So, hey. I have seen where they hold it like this. I mean, you can hold it any way you want. You just play with it. You know, just kind of hold it in your hand, move it around, see what feels good to you, okay? That actually doesn't feel that bad. That right there's another way. But, so that's how, that's a hold. All right. So you've got that down. Practice with it. See what you can do with it. And I will see you in the next video.